What's up, everyone? I'm hoping you guys are having a great day. I'm actually out here wearing my Jets green outfit because I'm hoping for the Jets to pull out a win over this weekend over the Patriots, and obviously that'll be a great Thanksgiving weekend for me as well. So yeah, to say the least, today's video is not about the Jets. It's going to be about a pair of sneakers that I just recently got, and I think they're awesome. And I think you should definitely check them out. And also, if you're interested in buying a pair, I would give them a thumbs up and definitely buying a pair. I think Nike did a great job with these sneakers, to say the least. And the sneaker that I'm talking about is Nike Air 270 React. It's part of the Air Max family. Very nice sneaker. Feels great on my feet. The only thing I've learned from wearing Nikes in the past is I normally am size 10. So whenever you buying sneakers, I especially Nikes, I normally buy a size and a half up. So I normally buy 10 and a half in every sneaker. So it actually leaves room for my toes in the front to actually wiggle around and anything like that. And also obviously to prevent creases, you can stuff it with paper or you can stuff it with various other materials. But if you guys have any idea on what to stuff it with to prevent creases, just feel free to leave those comments also below. Yes, so let's get into the video. I'm gonna show you exactly what the sneaker look like, how dope it looks, and how awesome, how much I like the sneaker to work out in. So yeah, bear with me and I'll go ahead and showcase it to you guys. All right. So this is the sneaker in a nutshell. It actually comes in this nice white box, Air 270 box, right there. And these are the sneakers. I got them in green, of course, because I wanted a pair of green sneakers because I got a couple of green outfits, especially when I wear my Jets gear, that I think this will go great with, even though it's a little bit fluorescent green. So yeah, so that's pretty much the sneaker in a nutshell, to say the least. In the front is the Air 270 React logo, and it's pretty much a very dope sneaker, to say the least. And it's part of the Nike swoosh family. You could see the writing on the side of it right there, and all the detail with the bubble in the back, Air Max bubble in the back and the bottom. Those are great to do leg day workouts in. Also, you get a great leg workout and your legs doesn't hurt as much, to be exact. I love the sole inside the shoe, to say the least. Let me take the paper out so you could be able to see. The sole's super comfortable and it matches the inside and the outside of the shoe, of course. Yeah, so I'm very happy with these pair of sneakers. If you're a sneakerhead like me, you definitely should get you a pair of those. They're definitely comfortable to run in. They're comfortable to work out in as well. This is my first workout in them since I've gotten them. I normally buy sneakers and stash them away for a couple years, only to come out when everybody come out with them when everybody's finished wearing theirs out. So that's normally how I do it. But these ones, yeah, they've been out for practically a few years, to be exact. But yeah, I'm very happy with those. I think they're great. So you guys should definitely check them out. I like the fact that the laces also has that green tip on it, if you could see here. And it has the purple, blue striping. Actually blue, navy blue striping that actually matched the logo in the front. Everything about the design of this shoe actually is very intriguing to me. So they also have them in off-white colors as well. But these ones, when I saw them, they intrigued me, and I think I had a couple outfits that actually fit these, and that's why I got those. So yeah, definitely happy with them. I think you guys should copy a pair if you guys are interested in getting some as well. And I want you guys to enjoy. All right, guys. So I don't know when they're coming out again. I think you can get them at the Nike store. If I find them online, I'm actually gonna leave the link in the description below. And if you have any questions pertaining to them, feel free to comment down below as well. Yeah, so that's pretty much gonna be it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, guys. All right, peace.